Most people think buying a new SUV automatically means fewer problems. New tech, new design, better reliability, right? Not always. Some SUVs are built to impress you today, while others are built to last for years. And the difference between them can literally save you thousands of dollars over time. In this video, we're looking at some of the best new SUVs that are actually built to last, the ones with proven engineering, lower repair costs, and the potential to run well past 200,000 miles if properly maintained. If you're planning to buy an SUV and keep it long-term, these are the ones you should be looking at. Number 5. Honda CR-V. The Honda CR-V is one of the safest long-term bets in the entire SUV market. It doesn't try to be flashy, and that's exactly why it works so well. Honda has spent years refining this model, and the current generation feels like the result of everything they've learned about reliability and real-world ownership. The hybrid system is one of its biggest strengths. Instead of pushing a small engine too hard, it balances the load between the gasoline engine and electric motors. That reduces stress on components and helps extend the overall lifespan of the vehicle. On the road, the CR-V is smooth, quiet, and predictable. It's not trying to be sporty, it's built to be consistent. And consistency is what matters when you're planning to keep a car for 10+ years. Maintenance is simple and affordable. Parts are easy to find, and almost every mechanic knows how to work on it. That alone can save you thousands over time. Inside, it's practical. Plenty of space, comfortable seating, and a layout that actually makes sense for daily use. It's not the most exciting SUV, but it's one of the smartest. Number 4. Toyota RAV4. The Toyota RAV4 is the definition of long-term reliability. If you ask most mechanics what SUV they'd trust to go past 200,000 miles, this is almost always on the list. Toyota keeps things simple, and that's the secret. The engines are not pushed to their limits, the hybrid system is one of the most proven in the industry, and the overall design avoids unnecessary complexity. That means fewer things break, and when something does need attention, it's usually not expensive or complicated. The hybrid version is especially strong. Toyota has been perfecting this system for decades, and at this point it's one of the most reliable powertrains you can buy. Another major advantage is resale value. RAV4s hold their value better than almost anything in this segment. That means even after years of ownership, you're not losing as much money compared to other SUVs. Driving-wise, it's solid but not exciting. It's built for reliability, not performance. And that's exactly what makes it a smart buy. Number 3. Subaru Forester. The Subaru Forester is one of the best choices if you live somewhere with harsh weather. This SUV is built around its all-wheel drive system. Unlike many competitors, Subaru uses full-time AWD, which means it's always active, not just when the car detects slip. That makes a huge difference in snow, rain, and rough conditions. The Forester is also known for its simplicity. The engine isn't overly complicated, and Subaru has improved reliability compared to older generations. It's not the fastest SUV, but it's extremely capable. Another thing owners love is visibility. The large windows and upright design make it easy to drive, especially in tight or difficult conditions. Inside, it's spacious and practical, plenty of room for passengers and cargo, and everything is designed for usability rather than style. Maintenance costs are reasonable, and while you do need to stay on top of things like fluid changes, the vehicle itself is built to last when properly maintained. If you live in Canada or anywhere with real winters, this is one of the smartest choices you can make. Number 2. Toyota Grand Highlander. The Toyota Grand Highlander is one of the best family SUVs you can buy right now. It takes everything that works in the regular Highlander and improves it, especially when it comes to space and comfort. This is a true 3-row SUV, and unlike many competitors, the third row is actually usable for adults. That alone makes it stand out. The hybrid system is another big advantage. You're getting strong fuel efficiency, smooth power delivery, and a proven drivetrain. Toyota's hybrid technology is known for its durability, and in a larger SUV like this, that matters even more. Despite its size, the Grand Highlander feels refined on the road. It's quiet, stable, and comfortable, especially on long trips, and that's where it really shines. This is built for families, road trips, and long-term ownership. Maintenance is predictable, and reliability is exactly what you'd expect from Toyota. It's not the cheapest option, but it's one of the safest long-term investments in this segment. Number 1. Lexus NX. The Lexus NX is what happens when you combine Toyota reliability with a premium experience. This is one of the few luxury SUVs that doesn't come with high long-term risk. Under the surface, it shares a lot with Toyota models, and that's a huge advantage. It means proven engineering, fewer surprises, and lower maintenance costs compared to German competitors. The hybrid version is especially strong. It's smooth, efficient, and designed to last. And unlike many luxury SUVs, the NX doesn't rely on overly complex systems that tend to fail over time. Inside, it feels premium. You get high-quality materials, a quiet cabin, and refined ride quality. But the real value is ownership experience. Because while other luxury SUVs can become expensive to maintain, the NX stays relatively affordable over time. That combination is rare. You're getting comfort, reliability, and long-term value without the typical luxury headaches. Not every new SUV is built the same. Some are designed to impress you today. Others are built to last for years. And if you choose carefully, you can get both.